of food for two people. And I know you're not going to be eating.
No, but you're going to be eating for sure, and you have to.
But listen, they have to take this popcorn away because I love caramel popcorn. I won't be paying
Hard to
attention to you
resist,
at all.
And
Yeah,
there
but
you
now
go.
if you insist, only because she's insisting, you know.
You are from Chembur, and so am I. तो मैंने तो बचपन में बहुत सारी movies
Best
देखी हैं.
suburb
Best suburb.
in Mumbai?
100%. 100%.
Ask Shilpa Shetty, Anil Kapoor.
या तो वहाँ पर बसंत थिएटर हुआ करता था, आशीष थिएटर एंड श्रेया स्टॉकिस.
Yeah,
आप कहाँ जाते थे मूवीज
Basant.
बसंत. ओके.
I grew up in the 80s, right? I
Right.
was born in 79. So through the 80s, we didn't really go to the theatre to watch films. When Hum Aapke Hain Kaun released, I actually watched it in its 45th week.
That late?
Yeah, with Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I think we started going to the theatre again. And it was almost like we had forgotten that feeling. You know, but Basant was in the best condition at that time because a lot of theatres were in a very bad condition
Yeah.
post the 80s. But I remember watching that. I remember watching, before Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, we watched 1942, A Love Story in the theatre.
Manisha Koirala.
Manisha
right?
Koirala, and that the way the film's been shot,
Yeah.
and oh my God, and she looked divine, and just the way the film had been shot, you know, stunning.
Talking of Chembur, you know, the way you speak about Chembur is with so much passion. I want to know which school did you go to, which college did you go to, and any childhood memories you have from that particular neighborhood.
Oh God, childhood memories. I spent 31 years of my life in Chembur, so
Oh.
they're full of memories. It's like most of my life has been spent in Chembur, you know. I was born and raised there. I went
Okay.
to St. Anthony's Girls High School.
Oh,
I
okay.
studied, I did my
Was
college at
Shilpa
Xavier's.
Shetty like in the
Yeah,
same
she was
batch?
my senior
She
by
was
a
your
couple
senior?
of years.
Okay.
She was my senior by I think 3 years. She was always the hottie.
Really?
Yeah, Shilpa, I remember she was also a basketball player, and I remember my mom one day decided that I should play basketball. At 6 in the morning, I was sent off to play basketball, and you know there were already murmurs that Shilpa might be joining the movies and stuff like that. And I remember she was so sweet. I'll never forget. She taught me how to dribble the ball, and I thought, oh, अभी तो मुझे आ गया सब कुछ. I told my mom, मैंने सीख लिया, कल से नहीं जाना है, सुबह उठ के नहीं जाना है. There was also Malaika Arora.
Oh, yes.
She was from another school, but I remember she would walk down the lane at a particular time for her French tuitions, which were on my lane.
Yeah.
And all the boys would be sitting out at that time waiting for Malaika to pass. Just Chembur's produced too many hotties. What to do?
Definitely. And I'm
Look at
sitting with one.
her. Anil Kapoor and I just call out to each other saying, Chembur, always.
And look forward to exploring Chembur with you the next time we meet.
Happily. I'll take
Done.
you to some haunts.
Okay. Any recommendations? Maybe people will go and visit. You mentioned about Gupta Bhelpuri that you really
Gupta
like.
Bhel used to be, I don't know if it still exists because I
Okay.
haven't gone to that side. It was right opposite Chembur station. They had the best Bhel Puri, Sev Puri, Dahi Batata Puri,
Okay.
Ragda Pattis. Oh my God, even Raj Kapoor used to go there, by the way. And also your Vada Pav wala outside the post office.
Oh, yes.
Chembur post office.
It's yum.
That lasan ki chutney agar mil gayi na. And they used to have moong dal bhajia also. And on 16th Road, you used to get samosa pav. It had a liter of oil in one samosa, I'm telling you, but we would squeeze it out and then have it and tell ourselves कि नहीं अभी तो healthy है ना, because पूरा निचोड़ दिया तेल, but it was far from healthy.